stripes. He keeps seeing me and going. He's watching me now. There's some real big ones out there though. It's a real big blackbird.
Is it a crow?
No. Neighbor has a bunch of them. Oh, he's back. Hey, you little birdie!
Don't do that. What are you, like 2?
He don't care. He's hungry.
Don't do that. Be nice to the birds.
Oh, it's a cardinal.
How you know it's a cardinal?
Because it has the cardinal look, has an orange beak. It's not a red cardinal, but it's a cardinal. I don't know what type of cardinal. He does have a reddish on his wings. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's back.